Hi, Callista. This is my response to your presentation. It was so well thought out and so organized. So, really good job with that. You hit all of uh, the reactions that happen, the various pathways. You cited the sources of ATP for each of the steps that required ATP. I also really enjoyed how you got into the specifics of how much ATP is made in the various pathways, like in glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, um, and the electron transport chain. You also mentioned where NADH and FADH2 were produced and how they play a role in other pathways. I like how you broke down ATP synthesis and then went on to talk about nucleotide and ribose synthesis. And again, you did it in a really organized fashion. So again, thank you for that. It was really nice to watch and helped me synthesize some stuff too in my head. So good luck. We made it to the end of the class. Good luck with your future endeavors. Thanks.